Singapore's two integrated resorts will pay a fair market value for the land for any proposed expansion, says Senior Minister of State for Trade and Industry Chee He was replying to MPs' questions in Parliament about the cost of land the IRs are paying for its expansion.
Marina Bay Sands is buying 3.3 hectares of land at $1.3 billion. Resorts World Sentosa has budgeted $1 billion to intensify existing land and purchasing nearly 1 hectare of the new land. Now, Mr. Chee added that the new investments are expected to attract 500,000 more international visitors every year and contribute $500 million annually to Singapore's economy.
When there are substantial investments that can benefit our economy and our workers, the government is open to directly allocate land to these investors. This is a long-standing policy that has been extended to both local and foreign companies across different industries. The IRs will pay fair market value for their land, as determined by the Chief Valuer in accordance with market conditions and established valuation principles.
Meanwhile, Marina Bay Sands and Resorts World Sentosa have not decided to exercise their options to increase their approved gaming areas. Mr. Chee revealed this in response to questions in Parliament amid MPs' concerns over problem gambling.
MBS has the option to increase its gaming area by 2,000 square metres, while Resorts World Sentosa can increase its gaming area by about 500 square metres.
If both IRs exercise their options for additional gaming area in full, gaming area as a proportion of total floor area will drop from 3% today to 2.3%, as the expansion of non-gaming area is much larger. The IRs have also stated that the additional gaming provisions will be targeted at higher tier, non-mass market players who are mostly tourists.